can't find the hole. I'm actually having so much fun. Ah. So in the last week's video, we drove around 800 kilometers in one day. And since we did some hard driving with the car, I got to know about a few issues that's going on. First of all, I need to fix my camber because my alignment is not very straight. Second of all, I hear some squeaky noises, which we are gonna tighten up some bolts probably. Third of all, I had Drivetrain.
Oh, what is this?
Drivetrain!
What happened? What is this? Oh!
Which I fixed really easily by restarting the car every time it comes up. But we're gonna get that checked out. But the main issue is that I still have some oil leaks apparently. So if you didn't know, every episode before this, I've been having either oil leaks or boost leaks. We've rebuilt the turbo, we've changed the vacuum pump, and we've changed the pulley oil seal so far to fix oil leaking issues, and it has improved a lot. When I bought this car, I had to fill up basically 1 liter of oil every like 2,000 kilometers. But right now, it took me 5,000 kilometers to fill up 1 liter of oil, so which means we are making improvements. It's funny because I said whenever I don't have any problems with the car, for a month I would wrap the car. As soon as I wrapped the car, like a few problems popped up, so rip my wallet. Let's go ahead and knock these out one by one, see what the problem is with the oil leak and what the problem is with the drivetrain error again, because we are on a mission to perfect this car. So make sure to subscribe down below and let's go on with the video.
Wow. I just see this side only. Different, huh?
Yeah.
Look different. Huh?
Okay, my AC smells like a dead cat is living there. So my task is, how do I use this too to get my cabin air filter out? This is my test to see whether I can change my valve cover gasket myself or not. Bro, where did I put this? Hey! Success! Come to Z Auto Service. They will make you do the labor yourself. Oh my God, I'm already sweating. It's like a workout here. So, where?
One cover like this. Like this.
Bro, you think I'm smart enough to do this?
1, 2, 3.
Take it out?
Okay, take out the.
Oh, that's disgusting. Okay.
Open the blower motor also.
Okay, how?
Just 3. Another 3.
I just look for 3 screws. No. Bro, do you have a shorter one? Shorter screwdriver? Feel good. Feel accomplished. You're learning. I have a feeling I'm opening the wrong screw. I can't find the hole. Oh, bro. Bro, can you take out this last one? I think I broke something.
For the video, you pretend that you take
Yeah.
And action.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Took it out. So hard work pays off.
Hard work.
Make sure you're always learning. That is like similar difficulty as taking this out. You see, they even look the same. Giving the car a blowjob. Yeah, so even if you want to wash your AC blower, you can use B2B. First link down below in the description. AC will always smell good.
Wrapping the car?
Yes, we are rewrapping. This is PPF. Paint PPFing the car. So first things first, we are gonna fix the oxygen sensor. It's the last issue I have with this annoying drivetrain error. Faulty oxygen sensor makes you use more fuel as well. We're gonna be saving fuel, saving the earth. I'm not gonna get that annoying sound anymore. First things first, oxygen sensor. Then we are gonna go ahead, open up the valve cover and change the valve cover gasket because there's some leaking going on there. Hopefully that fixes the oil leaking issues. We are gonna knock things out one by one. As I told you guys from the beginning, we are on a mission to perfect this car. This car was neglected by the previous owner, but we are bringing it back to life one piece at a time. I'm so excited for this episode of brand new used car, so stay tuned until the end of the video and hit the subscribe button.
Just open the cover.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you know how to open this one?
I can try.
This one only.
I promise you I can do this. All me, for the first time ever, push down the hose. That's what Sherry does. Fixing the car. This is also education. They don't teach you in school. Where the fuck do I?
Just like this only.
Oh, not so hard, huh? Who taught you all of this?
I learned myself.
You learn yourself?
Yeah.
How many cars did you break until you learned how to do this?
Uncountable.
Uncountable? Making progress.
Pull out the wire. 2, 3 and 4. Open the cover.
Okay. I'm actually having so much fun. All the viewers from the US might be laughing at me right now, but people in Malaysia, they don't do DIY. How to take off the cover. You drink, sir. I'm doing his job and he's doing my job. Whose job are you doing?
My job.
Hand job. Bro, this is so hard. I broke my finger.
Bro. Just like this. Don't like this. Like that. If you can sleep also, your finger never.
Okay. I thought that we are doing the oxygen sensor first, and I'm halfway done, and he tells me this is the valve cover, so doing the hard job first. This video has become like a grown man groaning. You gotta subscribe to my OnlyFans for more. Okay, so these are my gaskets right now. This is not too bad, bro.
The
But
gasket is leaking.
yep. No more leaking is what I said the past 10 times we fixed this engine. It's the old gasket. I hear a noise.
Just open what you see.
Bro, this is, I'm actually having the time of my life. I've always wanted to do this. All the time I scrape, this is all coming off. The resonator.
You wanna make another hole, louder sound?
Yep. All right, so I just got the car back. I couldn't stay there and reassemble the engine back, you know, so because it's always the same way with guys, you know, they take off the clothes and once they're done with it, they would never help put the clothes back on. So I did not help put the clothes back on after I got done. Here we are. I got the car back. Amazing job by Kogu at Z Auto Service. Make sure to check them out. Let me know down below in the comments if you like this type of content. I really enjoyed it. If you want to see more of me struggling with this engine, let me know down below in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.